playing a bit of great music. Billy Black and his combo. Right, we'll turn that one off and we'll show you some other ones of my records. Or I should say, some more of my collection. Right, what have we got here? Well, we got the Kinks' well-respected Link. We'll stick him back here. Right, Kaleidoscope, a beacon from Mars. There you go. We'll stand in there temporarily. What have we got over here? Dusty Springfield. Dave Clark 5. Whoops, we put him in the wrong place. Deep Purple. Purple vinyl, of course. Here look, more Deep Purple. Alright, we're over here. George Formby. Right. Fat Mattress. Elvis. Volume 3. Gold vinyl. See, I'm making a mess here putting these things away. Right. Bit of Beatles. Whoops, nearly throwing that one on the floor. Can't do that. Beatles, Abbey Road. Beatles, Hey Jude, isn't that? Beatles, Magical Mystery Tour. Right. Now I'm going to get back to my music and I'm going to catch you later on my next bit of showing you my records. I hope I said that correct. Showing you my record. Bye.